Oh, you snap. I got one of them. Comment I remember reading was something along the lines of, premises, do you wear that red shirt every day? It's like, motherfucker, this is my motorcycle gear, it's armoured. So yes, it's a motorcycle jacket. It's not some normal flannel shirt. But I appreciate it. When one of your boys is wearing the same clothes for too long, you've got to check them. You've got to be the one that sets them straight. And, you know, but come on.
I ain't that dude.
Oh shit. When the lights out, it's less dangerous. Here we are now. Entertain us. Ouch! No, there's more. Testing the engine, officer. Ah! Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you. Be a bastard, there you go. Swallow it too. Look, nobody was harmed, so that's my metric for good and bad. Nobody was nearly harmed. Nobody was panicked by what I did there. No property was damaged. I need to push forward. Mama didn't raise no beach. Boo, boo, boo. Yeah, I read the comment section yesterday. Stop calling me fat! You see this comment right here, this comment here, this comment? That's how you get a pin. My YouTube analytics page tells me 45% of you are not subscribed. I demand answers. Yeah, I need me my 100,000 subs. I want fucking YouTube to send me out that plaque thing. Although I much preferred the older play button. The new one's just shit. It just looks like they're deliberately cutting costs with it. I don't mean to sound ungrateful, but yeah, I'd rather have the older version.